Here, friends, this is our chapter 7, and we have done this plastic part. And now we can move forward. You can see that we have done this thing. Just delete and see. Okay, so let's move ahead with this portion. Okay, we need to add some edges over here to make it sharp. Okay, so select the object, go to edge, edge, ring, and connect. Okay, place it somewhere over here. Okay, and now you can see that it's sharper than before. Okay, it's sharp. Anyways, now go to vertex or select the object first and vertex, and we need to fix this portion a little bit. So tweak it a little bit like this and like this. Okay, so select the vertex and adjust it. Now you can see it's sharper. Anyways, now let's move ahead and do this part, the visor glass thing. Okay, so what we can do is, for this portion is just go to create and we create a plane. Okay, I'm going to use plane for this, so drag and drop over here, drag it. Okay, adjust it from also from side viewport. Okay, you can see the reference image. We'll do this thing later. Anyways, press F4, rotate this thing, adjust it. Now from front viewport, adjust this thing. Use 1 and 1 segments. Okay, this time I'm using 2, and adjust this thing from perspective viewport. Adjust it. Just align with the outer shape like this. Okay. And now what we can do is select the edge, this one, and extrude it over here. Okay. Again extrude, extrude. Okay. And one more time over here. So we have extruded this thing. Place it properly. Adjust it from side viewport also. Now select these edges and extrude them. Adjust them from side viewport. Okay. Adjust them from perspective viewport. Okay. Okay, and set the edge and go to local and extrude it inside. Okay, so we have depth. Okay, you can see, select the edge, ring, and connect this. Make it closer to the edge. Okay, like this, and we have a sharpened edge. Okay, so now select the object, the visor plastic thing, and go to revolve mode, adjust it. F3 to use our wireframe mode and adjust it. Tweak the vertices properly, adjust them, tweak them, select the edge and extrude one more time, adjust them. Okay, now we need to place this thing over the outer structure. So I'm using snap. Okay, so just press S button on a keyboard. So, okay, I'm not. I think we can adjust it manually without snapping it, but we can use snap also. But in this case, I'm just adjusting them manually. Okay, I'm not using snap right now. So we have the shape. We need to adjust it from here also. You can adjust it from side viewport. It will be a good idea to do that. Adjust it. Set the edge and extrude it once again. Now adjust it from side viewport and adjust the vertex also like this. Use wireframe to see the object properly. Adjust it, and we need to adjust it from front viewport also. So select it, place it properly on right place and adjust it. Okay. Now we can use snap to snap the vertex with the other one. Snap. Now it will be aligned with the other vertex. So use snap tool. Press S on your keyboard. Off the snap and adjust it. Adjust this thing. Snap it over here. Adjust this thing. Okay, now we have this portion, and select this one, tweak it a little, adjust it. Okay, this one too. Adjust this. Look good. Okay. We always need to use our side and front viewports. Just go to Turbo Smooth and see the result. This is what we have with the smooth on. Okay. You can go to vertex and select this one and adjust it a little. Something like this and this. Okay. Select the edge. Select these edges. Extrude them. Go to a perspective viewport and place them. Okay. Align them. Okay. Select the vertex. Right click and collapse. Now adjust this thing. Adjust this vertex also. Place it inside the shape. Okay, we can place it inside our outer shape so it won't be visible. Adjust this thing. Okay. Something like this. Something like this. Okay. Adjust. It's looking weird, but we can fix it. No need to worry about it. Okay, so just try to place them on proper place. Okay. Use snap. And also for this vertex, use snap. Okay. Now adjust this vertex. Also this one. Okay. Use the smooth. So this is what we have now. Now go to vertex and we can insert an edge over here. To select the edge, ring and connect. We have an edge over here, also one over here, and now we can tweak it a little like this. Just snap it with the outer structure. Okay. Align this thing. Okay. Okay. Select this and adjust it from our front view. It's a little jaggy now, but we can adjust it. So this is what we have now. Now select the object, increase the iteration first, and you can see the reference. Okay, it's like this. Okay, in this shape, it's merged almost. But in our model, it's not looking like that. Okay, so what we need to do is select the object. You can see this thing. Okay, so select the object, delete this and this shape. We are not getting that right. So I'm going to adjust this thing like this and snap it to this vertex and snap this thing over here like this. Okay. Adjust this thing, disable the snap and move it onto the. Now this is what we have. Select the object, vertex, and we can tweak this thing a little like this. Okay. Select the edge, ring and connect. Insert an edge over here. So we can tweak this part a little from over here on our side viewport. Now we need to adjust this thing. Okay. Tweak this a little bit. Actually, it's a little downwards, so I'm just pushing it, pulling it a little. Okay. Ring, connect. We have a segment over here, and now we can adjust it like this. Yes, you can see the shape. This is what we have. Select the vertex, and we need to do a little tweaking over here, like this. Make a smooth shape, otherwise it will look jagged. Okay, like zigzag shape. So just try to smooth the shape using vertex by placing them on a proper place. So adjust this thing and this one. Actually, I'm trying just placing them away from the other vertex, so it won't be that sharp. It will be blended and become a smooth shape. So we have something like this. Just tweak and adjust, tweak, adjust it. Okay. So we have the shape. Okay. We have some issue over here, so we need to fix that. Have a look in perspective viewport. Just push it a little, adjust. Okay. Now select the object and go to vertex and adjust this area a little. Okay, and looks good. Okay, just select the turbo smooth and delete it for now. Okay, use a modifier. Go to hierarchy first, affect pivot only, and place the pivot point to the center of the grid line, like this. Select the object we have already selected. Go to vertex, select these vertices, and move them a little bit, like this. Okay, go to modifier list, press SY, you will get a symmetry modifier. Okay, so it has been mirrored in opposite side. Now use turbo smooth. Okay, so we have a proper shape, I think. We have some issue over here. Okay, so we'll fix that. Go to vertex and have a loop over here. You can see, adjust this thing, adjust it a bit, like this. Select them and move them a little. Okay. Okay. We have issue over here. You select the object, select these vertices, move them forward a little bit, like this. Try to make a curve shape. Okay. Okay. It's looking weird. Anyway, do the unzip first. Select the vertex, and what we can do is select these vertices and move them a little bit. Okay, so it won't look flat. Okay, you can see from other angles. Adjust them. Okay. Here there will be a logo. Select the object and tweak this thing a little, like this. Okay. Okay. Vertex and do the tweaking. Adjust it. Adjust this thing. We have the visor glass thing. Okay. Now select the turbo smooth. I mean below the turbo smooth, I'm going to use a modifier called shell. So okay, so it will give us a depth kind of thing. Okay, it will become thicker. So we can adjust this portion like this. Okay, and because it's below the turbo smooth, it will be affected by the turbo smooth. So use edit poly. Okay, and what we can do is just use the edit poly above the shell modifier and below the turbo smooth. So we have the edit poly, and if there will be something wrong, we can delete the edit poly. So now select the edge, ring, and do the connect. Place it closer so it will be sharper. Okay. Select the edge, ring, and do the connect one more time. And over here also select the edge, ring, and connect. Okay. Now you can see that this portion is little sharper. Okay, increase the iteration in the isolation. Okay, now we have depth is thicker and we have a sharper edge. Okay, disable the turbo smooth and over here select the edge, ring and connect. Okay, so from all sides it's sharper. If we want, we can see that it's looking good with sharp edges. Okay, select the vertex of the turbo smooth, undo. Okay, select the vertex and adjust it. I think we can select the edge and insert a ring over here. Okay, so it will be more sharper like this. Okay, so we have this here. We can place the logo over there. Okay, now we can do something like this. We can change the color to differentiate them like this. Okay, like this. You can see we are getting the feel. Okay, so that's all for this one. I'll catch you in next chapter. Thanks a lot.